Hey guys, it's Midnight Wolves Howl here. This is part 3 with my friends, so let's find out what happens. I can't believe we're still alive. That's my question. How are we still alive? No, that's General Lee. That's Pinocchio. That's Sir Walter. That's an old guy with that's a Western guy, and that's another fat guy that's named Walter, and that's just a German Shepherd in a human form. Now who's over here? All the same people. Oh my. Oh, he's still there. Oh, this is scary as heck. He's what? Oh, shh! It's like, oh, hey, I'm right behind you. What? Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet. Yes. Now run for your life. Let's go this way. Right is always right, remember? How many recorders do we have? 6? Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Hi. I want to see your beautiful face. You look like Velma. You look like Velma from Scooby-Doo. Like, no joke. You look like Velma from Scooby-Doo. Yeah? What? He's not there. Right? You know, if anyone watches this, I'm gonna get so much hate. Oh my goodness. I think it's unfair that you get to eat our faces. Oh, I almost killed myself, dude. Your screen fuzzes up like no other. Oh, we've never been here. Dude, we've never been here. That's a good sign. Oh, phew. Oh my goodness! That scared the heck out of me. He's not there anymore. Says the person who's following me into the room. It's getting so much better now. No wonder PewDiePie plays so many scary games. It's so much fun yet scary. That map has blood on it. Maybe it marks New Hampshire. It marks New Hampshire. See, look it marks New Hampshire. Look at that beauty. Huh? What? What was that, mister? You probably passed up so many. Oh my! Why? Why did you make me play this game? I'm just kidding. I made myself play this game. Oh, sweet. We've never been here. Bull crap, I've been here. He's not there. I just looked. Oh, he's right in front of us. Let's go this way now.